Hello everyone, welcome back to Nails of Interest. I wanted to show you the new Modelones polish set. I won this simply by entering my email address on modelones1.net. I'm so happy I won this, you can't even believe it. I chose the Traveler set. I had the choice of Blue Blood or Travelers, but look at how these bottles look. I mean, I've never had anything like it. I know a lot of people have had fancy bottles, but me, I'm more like this bottle, you know, all the round lids, the azures, and then there's azure with square bottles. That's the closest I've had to anything fancy. This is truly fancy to me. It comes with an African white, which I've already swatched out. It's a pure white. This was 2 coats just because I did it to make sure. But it really was opaque in 1 coat. Give very opaque colors an extra few seconds when you're wearing them to cure, just to be safe. I'm loving these bottles. They're really easy to hold, unscrew. Gorgeous polishes inside. The only thing I would say is when you close them up sometimes, they're not quite flush. If you're going to store them back in, you got to give them a little extra twist just to get them back in the box. But that's not a problem, and most of us don't even keep them in the boxes. This is Cocoa Black. It is 100% opaque black. This was only 1 coat. Yes, 1 coat. There's no top coat on this at all. Very, very luscious colors. Again, the only complaint I have is, oh, I had it in there backwards, is the squareness to fit it in the container. This would make, I would be floored to get this as a gift. They're stored in here nice and tight too. This is Dreamy Silver, which I actually have on my thumb. This is only 1 coat over hard gel nails that are clear. Here it is over a regular colored nail stick. You can see that. It is indeed dreamy. So you can dream of all the travels you want to do. It's a very good color for a set named Travelers. Again, they are in here very tight. This is Fiji Blue. This is what I actually decided on this kit for, or this set for, is because it's got, you can't even see it here, it's a deep blue. It looks just like the sticker in real, I'm seeing it on the monitor, it doesn't look the same. It's a deep, deep blue, but you can probably get this to go on transparent. Let's test it out. Oops. Upside down. Let's test it out for a clear tip. See, you can get this to go on transparent if you like that look. If you're like me and you've got the clear extensions, or even if you don't, look over my nail bed, it's still a very cute color. And I don't really have my nails prepped properly. The bottle's screwed so tight. Okay, that was the Fiji Blue. This is Morandi Pink. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Again, it's all based on travels around the world. That's a very blushy pink color, very opaque. I only used 1 coat on this as well. Again, if you're wearing them, you'd probably want to use 2 coats just to have that insurance against chipping. This is Victoria Gold, kind of like Victoria Falls. I haven't looked up what the inspiration behind these colors were. I didn't put this over black. This is just over this nude colored nail stick, whatever you want to call this color. This is what it's over. No base coat, no top coat. It looks like it's over black. It's got such depth to that color. And these are in here pretty tight. And this is the Brazil red. Bright, bright red. Look at that. You can just push them back into your box. This would make a great, great gift for someone. Just as this gorgeous box, just stick a gold bowl on top, and it would be so gorgeous as is. And these are the colors. It'll be on my Instagram post, the colors directly from the company. But go to models1.net and you can see the professional photographs there. I can say I'm going to get a lot of use out of these colors. Everybody needs a black and a white if they're doing nail arts. A good red and a good blue are nice. So is a gold and a yellow, or gold and a silver. Nice blush pink. Very well-rounded set. I love it.